23 to 42, the Outrage series for Boston Whaler defines the pinnacle of offshore fishing. However, it is built for the entire family. Whether you're fishing for marlin, walleye out up on the Great Lakes, this is a very versatile platform that can take any weather that's thrown at it. Powered by a series of V8, V10, and V12 engines from Mercury Marine, integrated with a full Simrad platform, gyro stabilization on the larger models. This is going to add to a lot of comfort for your family, or if you're offshore fishing all day, it's going to reduce your fatigue and allow you to focus more on fishing. If you're looking for the ultimate fishing boat, you have to have a serious look at the Outrage series from Boston Whaler.